Hi guys, how are you all doing today? Welcome back again to my channel. So today I am doing a product review. I got this product, I think it's around June, and I've not been able to film anything because it's been a tough past few weeks. It's been kind of tough, and I'm just saying welcome back again to my channel, everyone, and thank you for standing by. Thank you for holding it down as usual, and I appreciate everyone on my channel. I appreciate everyone that has been viewing my videos, that have been liking my videos, that have been dropping their lovely comments on my video. So today I really want to do this product review. I've got so many products that I really want to tell you all about, but I'll just be sharing with you one by one everything, and I hope you love this video, and if you do, please don't forget to subscribe before you go. Anyway guys, so I'm just gonna get right into the product review and we'll see how it goes. So so today I'll be talking to you about this SilverCrest mini deep fat fryer. Lately I'm not a fan of frying stuff. I like to grill my stuff, but the thing is, sometimes I just thought that I really need to like fry just a little bit of fries. I had to on the oven because of this little fry. We have to save here and there. So I just thought that, okay, I don't want something really massive. I don't want something really big in the kitchen. I really want something like very mini that I could just go quick and just do things quickly, especially for fries. So I don't fry my meat, I don't fry my beef, I only fry dodo. So you see, so because of dodo, because of plantain, sometimes I need to fry plantain, but I really needed this thing, so that's why I got it basically. And I don't know, with me lately, I've always been loving anything mini, this mini, that, anything that is just mini, that is not going to take up too much space. Anyways guys, so let me just get right into this product. This is the manual, and this is where all the instructions comes from. The number one, I'm just gonna go on with you on that. On this page here you have every details of the product. So the number one is the permanent metal filter. So this bit here is the filter bit. So this is the filter bit, and number two is the frying container, which is the basket. So this basket here is the frying container, right? And then the number three here is the handle. Where is it? So this is number three, where you carry it. So this is the handle, and then number four is the cable. It's just behind it. And then number five is the temperature control. This one here, you will just turn it to your preferred temperature. And then number six is the ready control lamp, the green bits. I'm going to show you everything in the video, in the demo. So this is the power control, and then number eight is the power on or off switch, which is the red and the green one. And then the number 9 is the lid release button. This one, you just press it down. Once you press it down, this lid here will come up, will open up. So yeah, that is that one. And then the number 10 is the handle. This is the handle bit that you hold when you want to take it out from the oil or from the frying thing. And then number 11 is the basket. So this is the basket here. So it's showing that this is the basket in there, the inside bit. Yeah, so that is that. This is the symbol, full temperature. So if you want to fry prawns is 130 on the 130 degree. And then if you want to fry chicken is on 150. And then for fries is on fresh fries, is on 170. So if you want to fry fish is on 190. So this is SilverCrest. The model is SilverCrest, and if you're in the UK, you know the SilverCrest, we always get it from Lidl. So this is a Lidl product. They sell on Thursdays and on Sunday. So they have this special buy that you can buy anything. They put up the product, maybe it's baby stuff or maybe it's household item. You know, they just bring up random things. Anyway, so they brought up this product and I thought, oh, this is a mini one. It's not the big one that I couldn't just, you know, that is just too big, but I wanted something mini. So here it is. This is the box. I've already unboxed. I've already removed it out of the box. I've already used it. So I'm going to insert the video. I'm going to put the video in here for you just to see how I unbox it and how it's being used. I really like this mini stuff. It's so easy to clean. In fact, for me, I think it has already filtered the oil. You know, when you finish using the oil and then you just want to pour it aside just to keep, it's already filtered. I'm going to show you everything. I used it to fry fish the first day I got it, like, because the only fish I eat is mackerel and eggfish. If you know what eggfish is like panla fish. That eggfish, I don't like it grilled because when you grill it, it's just going to make it extremely hard. So I don't grill eggfish, I fry. That is the only fish or stuff that I fry. Apart from that, and then my dodo. And then now I got it for fries. I haven't tried this for fries anyway. Maximum oil you can pour in is 1.2 liter, and then it is 850 watts. So in case you're wondering like, oh, it's gonna make your electricity bill go up or whatever, it's energy saving stuff. And then the maximum you can go on the heat is 190, and then it has 100 centimeter for the wire at the back, how long the wire is, and it has 3 years warranty. So this comes with 3-year warranty, and for me that I always keep receipt before, in case after like 1 year this thing do yama yama like this, I'll just go and return it. But at least it's very good that it comes with 3-year guarantee. And I bought it for, I think I bought it for £19 or £15. I can't really remember, but I'll drop the price on my description box, so please do check that out. When I was setting this thing up, hi guys, this thing really disgraced me like far. I was really struggling with the basket, how to fix the basket. I didn't really read the manual because it's quite a lot in there. So the quality is a high quality and it's stainless steel design. So guys, you're safe. So it's high quality stainless steel design, and then it says on the box that adjustable temperature control to 190 degrees. Do you see removable lid with window and grease filter? So this bit here, I'm going to show you in the video. There's this bit that I removed. This bit here, this is the filter bit. So that is the filter bit that filters the grease. And then it says non-stick coated oil container and basket suitable for dishwasher. So it is non-stick coated oil container. So the thing inside of the deep fryer is a non-stick container, is non-stick coated, so it's kind of non-stick in there basically. So it has frying basket with detachable handle. So in case you want to put it in the dishwasher, you have to remove the handle. Don't go and put the handle inside the dishwasher. So it says, so you can actually remove the handle and then put the main basket in the dishwasher. And then it has 2 indicators lights for on, which is the red one, and at temperature, when your stuff is ready, it's gonna turn green. So that is that. So it has practical cord storage and handle. So at the back of the fryer, there's this kind of small stuff that you could wrap up your wires and then you could store it away. So you can't just leave it like flying everywhere. So just you know, just do it. Just do it. Anyway, the oil capacity is 1.2 liters. So in the container or in the something, you know what I mean. Anyway, inside the deep fryer, there's this mark on it. So it actually takes 1.2 liters. So they're very correct with that. And then it has this measuring stuff. So you can't go above the maximum line, just in case. Because if you go above the maximum line, if you put your stuff in there, it might just, you know, it might just bubble up and then everything will just splash away, and that's very dangerous. So and then the frying basket volume is approximately 0.89 liters at maximum mark. And then the output, which is the, I think, I'm not a science student, I think, which is the energy supplying something, is 850 watts, I think. And the cable length is 100 centimeter. So the dimension so the dimension of this deep fryer is approximately 24.3 by 20.9 by 25.5 centimeter. So the width is 24, the width is 24.3, and then the height is 20.9, and then the dimension and then the dimension, I mean the depth, then I think is the depth. Oh, I think because they say WHD, so the depth I think is 25.5 centimeter. I think I tried with the measurement. I'm not that good at measuring. Anyway, guys, so that is it for this mini deep fat fryer, and I hope you guys will enjoy the unboxing and the demo, which is gonna come after this. Yeah, guys. So anyway, guys, so I'm just gonna show you now the video. I'm gonna show you the unboxing and the demo of this deep mini fryer, fat fryer. mini deep fat fryer. Yes, mini deep fat fryer, mini deep fat fryer, mini deep fat fryer, mini deep. Anyways, guys.